What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine's Real XO, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick tutorial using this Tory wig by RoyaltyHairAddict.com. I am going to be moving pretty quickly because I am on my way out the door, but as you can see, I'm going to be wearing it in a side part, so I did slightly to the side, and then I'm going to merge it towards the middle in the back. Once I get that done, I'm going to add a little bit of water so that way manipulating my hair is a little bit easier. As I'm parting my hair, I take some time to stop and admire my gray hairs that I have coming in, y'all. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this stuff right here is a gem, y'all. It's the ISO Plus Natural Remedy Olive Oil Foaming Wrap. I love it, love it, love it. And here goes the shenanigans.
Hey, I'm single.
What? Lord. Y'all, he crazy. But anyways, as you guys can see, I am continuing to mold my hair with this foam wrap. I am currently relaxed, but this does actually help mold on natural hair as well. When I was natural, this helped me mold pretty well. And also keep in mind, I'm not looking for perfection here. This wig is a kinky texture, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But it definitely gives me the hold I need and molds in well in the process without the gookiness. And that's why I love this product so much, because I hate gooky hair and buildup. So here I'm just going to repeat the same thing to the other side. I'm going to wet my hair, brush through it, and these are the same steps you can take if you have natural hair as well. At this point, I'm going to brush through my hair, and I'm going to do a ponytail while it's wet, because whether natural or relaxed, when your hair is wet, it molds better. So you're going to pull it into a ponytail. I am using a rubber band for the beginning and the end of my ponytail, and then I'm going to pop the ponytail and just leave the rubber bands on the ends and use bobby pins to pin them into place. Just because I'm trying to cut back on the tension that I put on my hair, so if I can go without using too many rubber bands, I will. Okay, and here I'm just going to twist and bobby pin my hair underneath the other area of the other ponytail pretty much, and take it to the other side. Y'all see I'm crisscrossing them, y'all. Crisscrossing and bobby pinning. As close to the bottom as possible, because the higher up to the top, the more lumpy it'll look, and I want it to look really flat. Then I'm going to lay my scarf down to make it even flatter while I go ahead and hop in the shower and get myself together for the night. Be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Everything is all done. All I need to do is go ahead and just pop on my wig. Look how slick she is and flat she is. Yes, hunty, yes. So typically you want to take the elastic band and pull that behind your head first. I wasn't thinking straight. I was rushing and doing a whole lot at one time. But there are also clips on the front, so you're going to position it and clip it into place once you get it to the desired position that you want. Next, I'm going to wet my hair and the wig, and I'm going to take that foaming wrap and rub it all around my perimeter where my hair is, and then I'm going to squeeze a couple of squeezes in my hand and distribute it throughout the rest of the wig. I do not like to use a whole lot of foam wrap on the wig itself, because then it holds in place and it kind of keeps the wig a little bit too together. I want volume, so I don't really need to use that much. I like it to puff out a little bit, but I use some just to mold everything together. Brush everything through with a weaving brush and clip into place once you get it where you need it to be. Huge tip, natural or relaxed. Use a comb to define your edges. Brushes pull your hair out and thin your hair on your hairline. Okay, so I am actually going to be using the Murray's Edge Wax, which I love. This works great for my hair, and I'm going to put that along my hairline and use a comb to position it in place. I am going to push it backwards, and then my fingers I use to smooth over those areas, and it just helps it mold so nicely, you guys, like just so nicely. Mold your hair backwards towards the wig to cover the lace, and that's about it, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have plenty more like this. I literally had about 15 minutes to get it done, and I'm very happy with the results. What do you guys think? I added a picture from that night after it dried. It wasn't a great picture because it was dark, so I added one from the next day. And here it is, y'all. See y'all next time.